Are you ready for a new operation?
Yeah, why not? This one's not going well.
Do you require support?
No, they're gone. Let's go.
There's a mysteriously large number of Kelly goons hanging around this derelict gas plant. You'd think at least one of them would pick up a broom.
That's gotta mean we're on the right track. I bet we'll find our thief friend here.
What a joke.
fuck you, okay? Just fuck you!
I doubt the Kellys trust her up like that to get their Cub Scout knot time badge. Her optic sync log suggests that this is our thief.
This could end any number of ways. Approach her with caution.
She won't forget that. Well done. I'll have a trophy sent round later.
That's bloody nice!
Albion operations can cause unintended disruptions to traffic and public transportation. Please monitor local media for advisories.
I'm frightened.
area is being recorded by the GBB. What? Global British Broadcasting. Britain.
Thank you. I was about to get the Clan Kelly P45. No gold, just lead. But I'm done with all of it. Organised crime, London.
Yeah, how did you make off with the money? At least give me that much before you go.
Sure. Clan Kelly's laundering their dirty money into cryptocurrency. A lot of it.
I'm listening.
I set up a keylogger to capture the passwords I needed to hijack the operation. Divert all the cash out of their crypto wallets.
Right, we can do that. Thank you.
Travelers are integral to the safety of the line. Interrupting their service is illegal.
The accountant's keylogger with the Kelly account passwords is at the Spine. Clever nickname. You might need a spider bot when you get there.
Might learn something there. Let's have a poke around.
Self-driving my ass.
Drivers in this city.
A rather obvious Clan Kelly shell company has an office here. The keylogger will be in there, along with a bunch of twitchy heavies with bugger all to do all day.
You wouldn't advise a frontal assault?
I mean, I would for my own personal amusement, but I doubt you'd find being dead nearly as much fun. Plus, there is an extensive network of grids that a spider-bot could navigate.
All right, let's get to it.
Right. Your teammate won't be completing their operation so much as they'll be needing one.
Christ. Promise me, if I'm ever hurt and won't wake up, you'll end it. Jesus Christ, what is that thing?
Disturbance detected. Beginning investigation.
This shit is not worth my time.
Got the keylogger. Ready for the data. got their passwords. Let's get out.
Looks like the money's being kept in air-gapped servers at the Bank of England. Only way to access it is in person.
Are you saying we need to physically rob the Bank of England?
Correct. If you're going to rob a bank, you might as well rob a heavily fortified national treasury. That's what I always say. At least it is now. Once we access the money, I'll need to pass it through some clone accounts so they can't trace it. After that, you can do what you like. Give it to the victims, donate it to charity, dump it all in a big bath and roll around in it going tra-la-la-la-la.
Don't overthink it, Bagley. In fact, let's not dwell on how we share the money until we get into the Bank of England and actually get it. All right, Bagley, I'm in the server room.
You can access the air-gapped servers through one of those terminals.
I'm in, and they know it. Fuck me!
Get in position. Watch the perimeter.
Moving in.
The transfer is underway, but I need more time.
I think this one's had his pottage.
The end of the line. I need urgent backup now! Reloading!
We are roughly at the halfway point. Stay the course.
You're ready.
Nearly there. Try to survive a bit longer.
They shot me.
Transfer complete.
All right, I better get out of here.
I managed to divert some of those funds to our coffers. Never know when it might come in handy.
We fucking did it! Ah, me blood's pumping.
Yes, your adrenaline was spiking worse than a skydiving cokehead. I believe that's what they call a gambler's rush.
Call it whatever you like, it feels fucking great. We brought money back to the rifle owners and emptied Clan Kelly's pockets. That is a double win, my friend.
Dear God.
You've been looking for DedSec. Why is that?
Real talk. You're DedSec?
I'll let you know after you tell me what's going on.
Okay. Me and my friend need help. For real. We got in with this activist. Her visions for our future London started positive, all about change and equality. But how she wants to execute them? Well, it involves actual executions, killings.
What do you mean?
It's madness. She's got my girl locked up somewhere. I need you to find her and stop whatever crazy thing this nutjob has planned.
All right. I'll pass the message along. DedSec will do all they can.
Feeling ready to fight?
Let's do it. Did you find it in Bagley?
Yes, it checks out. SMS history corroborates what they told us, and I've been able to trace the location of that last text message to its sender.
Let's get nosy then.
Pushing the location now.
This way.
This is awesome. None. Look there. Did you hear that?
That's her. Get her out of here.
Quiet. Something there.
Don't make a fucking noise.
I've got to ask you to move along.
Shut that down. Now.
Fucker's here, I know it.
Something spooky, man. Scope whoever's running this drone.
I'm going here. Looks good. I'm moving on. Gonna get clear. Clear. I'll look somewhere else.
Lost them.
Oh, God, piss off.
Get her out.
You're gonna get shot now. Fuckers relentless. They got me. Shit, I'm being shot at.
Seems like you got away.
She's had those maniacs stuff a bomb in a vehicle. Fuck! No one was supposed to get hurt. Royal Courts of Justice, please stop her.
Time to get our asses in gear. That law court is right in the middle of the city. If that bomb goes off, it's gonna hurt a lot of innocent people.
Remember, you're looking for a van stuffed with explosives that are probably as stale as a one-legged mule in an abusive relationship. So if you get into a firefight, try to steer around the bullets.
Yes, Bagley, that's the plan.
I should probably mention that the bomb is armed and currently ticking down to detonation. So I would hurry up, unless you're curious about what it'd be like to become an oily pink mist.
Need a hand?
Fired! Right, I'm putting a stop! Who the hell is that? Oh my god. This has gone complete. Run now! Oh.
Finding cover.
I see the vehicle. Fuck me, there are people everywhere. This could be messy.
I'm going to check it out. I've lost visual.
They can't be far. Find them. Drone, area search.
Got the vehicle. Now what?
Oh, I don't really care what you do with it. If you wanted to avoid casualties, you could drop it in the river, I suppose. Up to you.
They got away! Shit!
Anyone record that?
Well, I wouldn't crow about it just yet. Her group won't pack it in after one failed attack. They'll be back.
Jesus.
Oh no! Jesus!
Oh no.
Poor bastard probably didn't do nothing.
See the vehicle? I'll try to defuse it without setting the fucking thing off. The fucking thing's fucking off!
Now that I know what kind of bomb we're dealing with, I can defuse it remotely. All you have to do is stay close enough to it that you'll be reduced to savory jam if it goes off. Any questions at this stage?
I'm on it. bomb's defused. Now we need to stop Enid herself before she can try again. Have you got anything, Bagley?
Would you believe that Enid's entire schedule was left on the vehicle's onboard computer?
That's why you don't sync your playlist with your bomb vehicles, I suppose.
Word of warning. You've got more than a terrorist leader to worry about. There are several armed explosives on the site. I'm pushing her current location to you now. This is the building site Enid Grimwood is running her terrorist activities out of. Time to work, operative. Bombs or Enid. Take your pick.
That was terrifying and fun.
To the kitchen on the right-hand side. We are keeping you safe.
Hang on. I hear something.
Zorro, we'll find him.
Looks clear. Going to check somewhere else. Clear. Moving along.
If you're not careful, they'll get you and drop you.
Must have pissed off. Fuck.
Wait.
Oh!
destroyed in a safe, if not terribly spectacular way.
Alright, guess we better look around.
Hang on a sec.
Everyone get down. There's a gun. I don't like where this is going.
Bombs destroyed, bomb-laying psychopath out of commission. I think we can put a line through this one.
DedSec, I hereby declare the Enid Grimwood case closed. Well done.
Thanks.
It's really rather frustrating. The only way anything gets done anymore is if people go out there and bypass the system entirely. I'll be as happy as anyone when Albion and the like are off the streets. But things won't be back to normal until the rule of law is restored.
The tower looms over northwest London. Communications hub, acting as part of the UK's television and communications network. Although there's been some secrecy around its use, and now that Bloom owns it, it's only even more secret.
Yeah, now everything is totally...
Hold it! What was that?
This dead human downloaded lines of code from the Black Cab network mere moments before dying. It appears the network has been tampered with, and poorly. This code is amateurish, crammed in there like a pack of crayons in a dim child's nose. There's even a comment attached to the code.
What does it say?
No words, just bit strings, gibberish, and not enough of it to compile any useful data.
So a bad hacker is controlling black caps to kill people?
Exactly, but I need more data to be sure.
Okay, if we want this hacker, we must find more black cabs and the bit strings. It's easy.
Bloody hell. Got to stay fucking calm.
I just want to be left alone.
What have we got, Bagley?
The same crude code with bit strings in a comment. I'll try converting them.
Don't run test.
All we ask, let us...
What was that?
So these bit strings came from an audio file and not, as I suspected, from someone kicking their keyboard down a spiral staircase. Hack another cab and I can decode the rest.
These black cabs can run over other civilians at any time. Just saying.
I now have enough bit strings to complete the audio file. Let's see.
With all due respect, these are Broker Tech employees, your employees being run over by your product. Don't you want what's best for your employees?
Sky Larson knows full well what is best for her employees, Lieutenant, and that is why the black cabs will remain operational.
But surely taking the cabs offline wouldn't affect your bottom line?
All we ask is for Albion's cooperation as we resolve the situation internally. Let us worry about our bottom line.
A Broker Tech product running over. What was that about?
I've gone over all the victims of Black Cabicide and they all have two things in common. Very poor reflexes and their employer, Brokotech.
Well, is the cab program another one of those Sky neural mapped AI things?
That's right, a former cabbie. Brokotech partnered with the city to automate their... The cabs are getting their revenge.
We're in the best position to put a stop to this bollocks. So what do?
We still need to find this AI's location. Hack into another cab and I'll see if it has a readable user history. Download complete. It appears the code alterations have been coming from a parking garage in Westminster.
Who would have thought that we'd be helping Brock a fucking tech? I'm telling myself, Sky Larson is worse than our employees.
The creator-creation relationship can be a dark and complex thing. See Frankenstein, Bride of Frankenstein, Son of Frankenstein.
Okay, yes. Hey, enough shit in London. We have to go get that killer AI and kill it first.